Today, we will demonstrate a simple example of using compose string and compose HTML actions in Engini. These actions are commonly used to format data and send dynamic outputs. Typically, compose string is used to display the results of complex calculations in a readable format, while compose HTML provides flexibility by accepting various inputs and using expressions to generate HTML content. This makes it ideal for sending formatted information, such as emails. In this example, we'll retrieve several opportunities from Salesforce, calculate the average probability of closing a deal with the customers retrieved, and then send the result to a manager. The workflow will be triggered manually, but you can always choose to schedule it or trigger it via a webhook. First, we'll use the getRecords action to retrieve the opportunities. Then, we'll use a for each loop to iterate over all the probabilities and sum them up. Next, we'll use compose string, which acts like a debugging tool in runtime, to calculate the average probability of closing all customer deals. The input will be the total summed probability divided by the length of the opportunities array. Now, we need to notify a manager about the result. We'll use compose HTML to create the email body, including our calculation. For example, if this workflow runs once a month, you can have a default email template ready and just add the calculated average probability into the message. We'll then use the send email action to send this information to the manager. The email body will contain the output from the compose HTML action, already formatted in HTML. After testing the workflow, observe the results from the compose string and compose HTML actions, as well as how they were integrated into the email sending process. And that's it. You've successfully created a workflow using compose string and compose HTML in Engini. This process helps you handle calculations and automate communication seamlessly. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.